the DSS allow few lawyers. Even the white man from US, was not even allowed into the court. Again, the man is standing outside the court. He was not even allowed. They allow only few lawyers. Mike Ozogume, as you know, is the lead counsel leading for Nnamdi Kanu. Some of us who were identified as talking to the press, they did not allow us to go inside. We've been standing there for hours. And as I speak to you, the matter is going on. I don't know what is happening now, but
we are outside because they didn't allow us to come inside. Even when we try to, they pursue us like fowl. They are pursuing us like animals, like goats. They are pursuing us like goats. They didn't allow us to come inside.
Our greatest surprise, we saw that other people was allowed inside the court protesting against Biafra. But we were not allowed to go inside the court to protest. Even outside the metro, they were pursuing us like a rat. It's ungentlemanly conduct. So to our greatest surprise, we don't know something will happen in Nigeria. If they are one Nigeria, why should they discriminate? It's unjust. So my brothers, what I'm telling you is that if they want us to be one Nigeria and not in this condition, we are going. We believe no more. I don't belong to Nigeria again. I'm a Biafran.
You are under democracy. An accused is presumed innocent until found guilty. And we are here to witness the trial of our son, Nnamdi Kanu, to make sure that he has a fair trial. And we were not allowed to go inside. And this is not the first time. This is a repetition of what happened in the past. And if this is democracy, I wonder the kind of democracy we are witnessing in Nigeria, that an accused, his people, even lawyer, could not be allowed access to him. And that is not good enough. My message to the federal government is that we all fought for Nigeria independence. And because we fought for Nigeria independence, the present federal government should do everything possible to keep Nigeria united, to keep Nigeria progressive, and keep Nigeria developed by making sure that there is justice, equity, and fairness for every person.
When we came in, a number of us were there. I think by 8:45, we were all there, standing the other entrance. And they said they were going to wait for clearance. They sent our names many times. They said, wait, Oga, wait, we want to get clearance. They even gave me a chair to sit down. Up to this minute, the clearance had not come. Meanwhile, the case had been adjourned. And I asked myself, can there be a fair trial under this atmosphere with men carrying guns, breathing down our neck? As we are standing there waiting for clearance, the prosecutor and his team just swaggered past. Nobody stopped them. The defense people were being harassed. Now, my impression is that, as a lawyer who has witnessed many trials, is that justice must not only be done, but must be seen to have been done. In all honesty, this is a political trial and no longer a judicial trial. And I say, I was part of the 4-man delegation that went to see Mr. President in November. I was there. I was the only lawyer. And Mr. President said, you know, I cannot interfere with the judiciary. We said, we are not asking you to interfere. All we're saying is discontinue the trial. As a matter of fact, Chief Mbazilika Meji and Bishop Ono has said, release him to us and we'll manage the situation.
As you are aware, the matter came up last year, December, and it was consequently adjourned today for hearing of all the pending applications. First of all, an application challenging the decision of the court, an application for transfer to prison correctional center, and also an application for bail. So we have these pending applications with the court adjourned for hearing today. Yeah. It's on record. So only yesterday we ambushed with a further amendment to the charge. We were served with a 15-count amendment, so new amended charge. So and then on the face of it, we can proceed. First of all, there was an objection to the fact that he can't take plea because of the there was no space, there was no time for us to discuss the charge with him and also interact on the facts, allegations, new allegations contained in the charge. So, though we have to look at the charge and we'll discuss with him about the charge. It's not adjourned tomorrow for the hearing, but the point must be made that the essence of filing this new amendment, and yesterday, 24 hours before the date slated for the hearing of this pending application, is nothing but to truncate the proceedings of today. Because they know they have no case against him, and the 7-count amended charge they earlier filed against him, we have been able to demystify all the counts in our application challenging the decision of the court to hear the matter. So, and they have nowhere to run to, only for them to file this amended 15-count charge, which is even more worse than what we have before. And we intend to react. So we intend to react to this new amendment, and hopefully by tomorrow we'll file and we'll respond to it. We have to serve them our response to the new amendment and bail applications, because we need to accommodate the expansion they made, because it's full of duplication of charge, and also repetition of what they said in count 1, count 2, count 3, so which is more or less frivolous and worthless. So we address it tomorrow, and before he will take his plea.
Okay, sir.
So what I'm saying and what I'm telling our people from Southeast is that there must be light at the end of the tunnel. We need their perseverance, their prayers. What happened yesterday is an indication that we're winning. Because if you're not winning, at least we have gone on today with our processes to file in court an objection to the charge. But 11th hour amendment to the charge is a clear demonstration of the fact that the federal government have no case against Nnamdi Kanu. As the clear demonstration of the fact they don't want to do this case. And I can assure you today that even when this one is addressed, they will say file further amendment. Take my word or leave it. Because we have been in this case since 2015, 2014, of course, we are away. So this should be yesterday's amendment marked its 6th amendment to this charge.
Hey!